Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome back to Watchwire News, where we dive into the latest and greatest tech news. Today, we're talking about some under-the-radar features on your Apple Watch that you might not know existed. From finding your iPhone to controlling your Apple TV, these features are about to change the game. So first up, let's talk about Precision Find, which is only available on Apple Watch Series 9 and Ultra 2 models. Imagine you've lost your phone, but it's still connected to your watch. You can use Precision Find to locate it on a map, making it super easy to find. Just tap the side button, select Ping My iPhone, and voila, your phone's location will appear. Now, if you're an Apple TV owner, you might know that you can control it using your iPhone. But did you know that it's also possible on your Apple Watch? That's right. With just a few taps in the Watch app, you can select your Apple TV and start controlling it without needing your remote nearby. It's a game changer for anyone who loves binge-watching their favorite shows. When it comes to workouts, the Workouts app is an essential tool for many of us. But did you know that you can create custom workout plans? By tapping the three-dot button on exercises, you'll reveal a range of options based on distance, pace, time, calories, and even repetitions with rest intervals. It's a fantastic feature that will help take your fitness routine to the next level. Now, let's talk about something that might seem old school, but trust us, it's still super useful: walkie-talkie mode. If you have friends who also own Apple Watches, you can use this feature to stay in touch without needing a phone. Just ask them if they're available, and once they say yes, you'll be able to ring them anytime. It's a great way to stay connected with loved ones. Speaking of customization, did you know that you can change your activity ring goals daily? Not only that, but watchOS 11 also lets you pause your rings for the day or the week if you need a break. No more losing streaks, just hit the pause button and get back to it when you're ready. Last but not least, let's talk about sleep apnea detection. With the new sleep apnea notification feature on Apple Watch, you'll be notified if your breathing disturbances show consistent signs of sleep apnea. This is especially important because sleep apnea can have serious health consequences, including cardiac disease. That's it for today's episode of Watchwire News. We hope you found these under-the-radar features as awesome as we do. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech news and reviews. And if you buy through our link, we may earn an affiliate commission, helping support our expert product labs.